So a little quick test here of the pump. I filed down the points. There's a couple pictures in this post of these guys right there, but they're all cleaned up and sprayed down, and it actually works. When you push on the base right there, it starts to do its thing. You can see it. So what it's telling me is either this is out of adjustment down here, and you can unscrew that to lengthen and shorten the throw, or the gasket's toast, which I'd be willing to bet it's that, because this gasket's looking pretty hard and not pliable, and that's what doesn't allow it to be flexible. That's why it goes when I push down on it, because I'm releasing it. But the pump is testing good, which is the positive part of it. And I already tested the glow plug over here, and if you pull out a glow plug like this, these are 6 volt, but this is a 12 volt unit, so be careful when you pull out these and test them. You better make sure you're running 6 volt on it. I have a power supply that I can adjust that on, but if you touch that with 12 volts, you better just touch it really quick and then get it off, just so you can see if it works or not. But you leave 12 volt on that and it'll fry it out. So good result, positive result for the pump that came off the spare unit. This isn't even the main good unit yet. This is just the parts unit that I'm going to be using to make one good unit. And this can and facade on it is in better shape than this one, so probably everything's going to go on that one. But I'm systematically taking things off of this, testing them and seeing how they go. So we got 2 for 2, and we're looking good. So stay tuned.